this is Aditya and welcome to the second video of this two-part series for this chapter, Food, Where Does It Come From? Well, in our last video we had seen some interesting facts about food. Well, before we continue on with our journey about learning more about food, let's have a small recap about what we had learned. Food is essential for our survival. It helps us grow. Food gives us energy. And most importantly, it protects us from diseases. We also know that the food we eat comes mainly from two sources, that is plants and animals. And finally, we understood the importance of having a balanced diet. In this video, we will look at some more interesting facts about food. I hope you remember that last video I told you about all the animals we get milk from. But have you ever wondered about vegetarian or vegan milk? Vegan milk, also known as plant milk, is extracted from plants. A good example of which would be coconut milk. As you know, coconut milk is extracted from coconut pulp. Other examples of plant milk include almond milk, rice milk, oat milk, and even soya milk. We eat fruits of plants, we eat stem of plants, we also eat roots and leaves of plants. Parts of plants that are eatable are called as edible parts of plants. For instance, let's take the banana plant. The banana fruit, its flower, and even its stem is edible. Some common seeds of plants are cereals like paddy, wheat, barley, feed, corn, soybean, and rapeseed. Some pulses are urud dal, moong dal, pigeon pea, and many more. Some other seeds include sesame, chia, flax, pumpkin, and sunflower. We can also eat plant roots like carrot, beetroot, radish, sweet potato, and ginger. Some common fruits are watermelon, orange, tomato, grapes, and edible stems like potato, banana stem, and sugarcane. Edible flowers are marigold, mint, cauliflower, and edible leaves like moringa, curry leaves, coriander, and cabbage, betel leaf, and mint. Whew, that's a lot to remember, but if you think about it, it's pretty easy. So, by this we understand that plants have one or more edible parts in them. So here's a small experiment to try. Take a small handful of green gram seeds and put it in a container and fill it with water. Leave it overnight. The next morning, drain out the water, put the seeds in a bag and hang it. The next morning you will notice small white thread-like structures, and these are called sprouts. So here your sprouts are ready. After washing these sprouted seeds, you can eat them. Yes, these seeds are rich in vitamins like A, B, and C. So now you know how to make yourself a healthy snack. So let's move on. The greatest problem with food is that it gets easily spoiled or it gets spoiled over time. And it's definitely not good to have spoiled food. What if I told you that there's a delicacy which never gets spoiled for as much as even 1,000 years? Yes, and that is honey. In fact, the oldest ever honey found is 5,500 years old and is still edible. Hey guys, great to see you again. Torch? Well, we don't need a torch. But by the way, did you know how honey is made or where do we get honey from? Honey is made by bees. Yes, bees make honey. Bees collect sweet juices from flowers called nectar, convert them into honey and store it in their beehives. The nectar in the flowers are available only for some time in a year. So honeybees collect nectar and store it for their use all year, which eventually becomes honey. So now we know that bees eat nectar, but what do cows, lions or pretty much any animal eat? Based on what animals eat, they are classified into three groups: herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. Animals which eat only plant or plant products are called herbivores. Horses, elephants and cows are few examples of herbivores. There are some animals which eat the flesh of other animals. These animals are called carnivores. Some common carnivores are lion, cheetah and tiger. On the other hand, some animals eat both plants and the flesh of other animals. Such animals are called as omnivores. Omnivores eat both plants and animals. Some examples of omnivores are pigs, swans, and chimpanzees. Hey, but what about humans? Are they herbivores, carnivores, or omnivores? I think they're carnivores because they eat a lot of chicken. Let's find out. If you see, humans eat both plants and animals, so they're categorized as omnivores.
You were carrying the football, but you couldn't open it. I'm just saying, it's really nice that this has really been your labor of love, and you look over it.
One day, Simba, the sun will set on my time here.
There is no secret ingredient. I'm not a big fat panda. I'm the big fat panda.
All work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. Because of the situation of COVID-19, we don't get to go out and play. So comment down, what do you do at home or how do you spend your time? It's time that we have a break. So our next video won't be something related to studies. It'll be much more interesting. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and tune in next week for our video. So bye.